Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to Vlogmas. So this is probably one of my favorite episodes that I do on Vlogmas, where I basically transform my room into a Christmas wonderland. I was going to do a little haul of all of the decorations that I got, but then I was like, I don't know, a lot of the stuff that I got was very traditional, like getting tinsel, a little Christmas tree, like decor that says let it snow, stuff like that. So I just figured that would be a little bit of a boring video. So I am going to be showing you some of the stuff that I got, but I'm also going to be transforming my room at the same time. I'm super excited. There's gonna be some B-roll. I'm gonna talk about some of the things that I got, and I think it's just gonna be really cool. I also have this big bin of Christmas decor stuff. It's a lot. But before we hop into this, if you guys are new to my channel, I just want to say hello. My name is Courtneyrainee. We do tons of fun things on this channel. We do room transformations, 24-hour challenges, glow up challenges. We do tons of Starbucks videos. I feel like I'm known for my Starbucks videos, food challenges, all of that. And right now we are obviously in Vlogmas. So if you guys want to stick around, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on that post notification bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. I figured one of the first things we could do is go through my big bucket of decor. I have a lot here. These are just sweaters. I'm gonna kick those off to the side. We have this cute little Christmas tree where some of the bulbs have definitely fallen off. Let's see. Oh, this could be cute for my desk if I wanted to. It's like a little runner for a table. I don't really have a table, so like I said, that could be kind of cool. Let's see. Oh my gosh, we have to wear this for right now. This is so cute. I love this. And then we have this white blanket that is definitely gonna replace my pink blanket. Tons of tinsel. I'm a little stuck. There we go. Tons of tinsel. Oh my goodness. Another sweater. We have this plate here that I use in my intro. I don't think we're going to need this for my bedroom, I don't think. Just little knickknacks like this that say let it snow. Ah, I forgot I even bought this. This is so cute. Some more knickknacks that also say let it snow. Oh, there's so many things I forgot about. Like these, like that's so adorable. Oh, we could definitely find a place for these. Some more tinsel. Guys, I told you, I got a lot of tinsel. Oh, a green candle, red socks. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I had all this stuff. Tons of little ornaments, which I don't quite know what I'm gonna do with. What else do we got going on here? Candy canes, some more ornaments. Oh, we have this from my intro. And then we also have, what is this? Gift wrap as well. Oh, and then little bows. This is so cute. Okay, so there's tons of stuff here that I can use to transform my room. I did buy pillows, but my friends are currently using my pillows, so you will see them pop back up during Vlogmas, but I do not have them as of right now. Oh, I'm so excited. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set you guys up and I'm just gonna start decorating. We're probably gonna like fast forward it a little bit. I'm gonna talk about some things if I feel like I need to talk about it, and then at the end I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a tour and show you guys my new decorated room. Note to self, do not cut tinsel on your bed or else you will have tinsel everywhere. Okay, so for you guys, it's probably only been like 30 seconds. For me, I've probably been filming for like an hour. So I just want to, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna hurry up. I want to sweep, mop. I want to clean up a little bit because my room is a little bit dirty. And then we'll come back and we'll do the grand reveal. Back right now. I got my little antlers back on. I cleaned my room a little bit, finished decorating, and I think it looks really good. I will say I feel like I need to go pick up a few more knickknacks, like a few more like red things to kind of finish off the room. I feel like the pillows are throwing it off because I don't have the pillows that I bought from Target as of right now because I let someone borrow them. So once I get those back in my room, I feel like it'll look a lot better. So right now, like the pillow situation is a little wonky. So just have grace for that. You guys are just on a tripod as of right now. So I'm gonna take you around, show you my room. I was gonna keep you guys on the tripod, but I feel like it would probably be better if I just walked you around. So one of the first things that I did is I put these up. I love them so much, and they're from the Dollar Tree. So this was a $3 decoration. I honestly didn't have a whole lot of knickknacks to put on my dresser, but what I did do is I put away a picture frame that was a little bit more just not Christmassy, and I wrapped my AirPods. I don't know, I just thought this is my box that my AirPods came in. I wrapped it, put a cute little bow on it, so I figured that would be a cute little decoration. And that's really all I did for like my nightstand dresser area. My bed, like I said, it's a work in progress because these are not the pillows that I got from Target just the other day. Above my bed, I have, ooh, wouldn't it be cool if I kind of did this here? Above my bed, I have this cute little shelf, so I put some tinsel here. I got this also from the Dollar Tree, and then I already had these two decorations up here, so I really like it. My curtain, I just put some tinsel up along the rod. Not the neatest job in the entire world, but it'll work. I'm about to show you my favorite part in this entire room. I think that this is so festive. It's gonna look so good on Instagram stories. And that is my mirror here. I think that this looks so good. You guys, this is not gonna be the last that you guys see this. I think that this looks so cool. I could do hauls here. I could do Instagram stories here. This is as festive as it gets. And then up here I have my jewelry, so I just kind of hung one of these. I don't know how good the battery life is for this, so I feel like it's probably gonna die. But right now I'm gonna show you my desk. This is kind of the finale, but also it's my favorite part out of the entire room because it is so, I don't know, it's just so like stereotypical holiday. It screams holiday. So it looks like this. I love this so much. Starting over here, I have my Christmas tree because I couldn't really get a big Christmas tree. I also have this little sugar snickerdoodle candle blowing over here. I love that. And then I did have to switch out some of the things that were on my shelves. This one, I can't really switch out. I always have my Bible chilling here. It just happens to be pink instead of red. And then I also have a journal here with a little candle. This photo was actually perfect because I took that, honestly, probably what, like 2-3 years ago. This was when I was in college, and that's one of my favorite Christmas photos. Okay guys, so that was it for my little room transformation. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm definitely like, I feel like the holiday spirit is screaming through me right now. I am just so ready for Christmas, but I'm also having so much fun with Vlogmas. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications to be notified every single time you post a new video. I post a new video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.